Welcome to How to Solve.
Hello there. Here's how to find your follow request on Thread. Let's go. Now, you might have just downloaded the brand new app created by Meta called Threads, and you want to find all of your follow requests so you can approve them and start growing your followers. This is the perfect video for you. Now, the first thing we have to do is, of course, open up our Threads application. And if you tap on your profile at the bottom right, you can see that at the top left, I can tap on the followers and it shows me my current followers, but not really the ones that have requested to follow me, right? So all I have to do to find that is go out of here and then tap that little heart button at the bottom right here. And you can see under activity here are all of the accounts that have requested to follow me. I can either hit on any of this to confirm or I could just hide it if I don't necessarily want them to follow my account. And that's just how you do it. Pretty easy. That is how we find follow requests on Instagram threads.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.